Hello friends. You are watching AGTV YouTube channel. Today, in this video, we will do chapter-wise very short questions answers revision. Chapter 3, Trade. Very short questions. What is the full form of WTO? The full form of WTO is World Trade Organization. Who sends quotation letter to whom in foreign trade? Exporter sends quotation letter to importer in foreign trade. What is the full form of GATT? The full form of GATT is General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. When was WTO established? WTO was established on January 1, 1995 AD. When did Nepal get the membership of WTO? Nepal got the membership of WTO on April 23, 2004 AD. What is the full form of BIPA? The full form of BIPA is Bilateral Investment Promotion and Protection Agreement. What is the full form of FDI? The full form of FDI is Foreign Direct Investment. What is the full form of SAFTA? The full form of SAFTA is South Asian Preferential Trade Agreement. What is the full form of SAFTA? The full form of SAFTA is South Asian Free Trade Area. Write any two documents used in home trade or foreign trade. The two documents used in home trade or foreign trade are inquiry letter and quotation letter. What is the full form of FOB? The full form of FOB is Free On Board Invoice. What is the full form of CIF? The full form of CIF is Cost, Insurance and Freight Invoice. What is the full form of CF? The full form of CF is Cost and Freight Invoice. What is the full form of LC? The full form of LC is Letter of Credit. What is the full form of ATM? The full form of ATM is Automated Teller Machine. Write any two means of payment. The two means of payment are check and credit card. What is the full form of TT? The full form of TT is Telegraphic Transfer. What is Hundi? Hundi is a written or oral order given by one person or organization to another person or organization to make payment of certain amount. What is the full form of SWIFT? The full form of SWIFT is Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe AGTV and do not forget to click the bell icon.
Hello friends. You are watching AGTV YouTube channel. Chapter 4, Financial Institutions. Very short questions and answers revision. What is the full form of ABBS? The full form of ABBS is Any Branch Banking Services. In which country central bank was established at first? Central bank was established at first in Sweden. What is the name of the first Bank of Nepal? The name of the first Bank of Nepal is Nepal Bank Limited. Who appoints the Governor of Nepal Rashtra Bank? Government of Nepal appoints the Governor of Nepal Rashtra Bank. When was the Citizen Investment Trust established? The Citizen Investment Trust was established on 4th Chaitra, 2047 BS. Write any two types of life insurance. The two types of life insurance are whole life insurance and endowment life insurance. Write any two types of financial institutions. The two types of financial institutions are banks and insurance companies. Mention any one function of Citizen Investment Trust. Any one function of Citizen Investment Trust is to invest the collected amount in the shares and debentures of organized institutes and government bonds. When was the Nepali Central Bank Nepal Rashtra Bank established? The Nepali Central Bank Nepal Rashtra Bank was established on 14th Baishakh, 2013 BS. Which was the first development bank in the world? The first development bank in the world was Société Générale de Belgique. When was the first development bank in the world established? The first development bank in the world was established in 1822 AD in Belgium. Which is the first development bank of Nepal? Nepal Industrial Development Bank, NIDC, is the first development bank of Nepal, established date 2016 BS. Note: NIDC and Rastriya Banijya Bank completed their merger and started joint operations from May 2, 2018 AD under the name of Rastriya Banijya Bank. When was Nepal Bank Limited established? Nepal Bank Limited was established on 30th Kartik, 1994 BS. Which was the first bank in the world? The first bank in the world was Bank of Venice. Established in Italy in 1157 AD. What is dishonor of check? The act of refusing to pay the amount of check by the bank is called dishonor of check. What is endorsement of check? The act of transferring a check from one person to another person by signing on its back is called endorsement of check. How many parties are involved in a check and who are they? 3 parties are involved in a check. They are drawer, drawee and payee. Mention the 3 types of check. The 3 types of check are bearer check, order check and cross check. What is bearer check? A check which can be presented into bank by anybody and can get payment is known as bearer check. What is order check? A check which is made payable only to a certain person or his order is known as order check. What is crossed check? A check having 2 parallel lines across its face is known as crossed check. What is insurance? Insurance is a contract between 2 parties where one party assures financial compensation of mentioned loss to the next party in consideration of premium. How many types of insurance are there? There are 3 types of insurance. They are life insurance, non-life insurance and miscellaneous insurance. Write 2 primary and 2 secondary functions of insurance. The 2 primary functions of insurance are provide assurance and distributes risk. The 2 secondary functions are provides capital and increase efficiency. What is an endowment life insurance? The insurance policy issued by insurance company for a fixed period of time is known as an endowment life insurance. Mention any 2 functions of Provident Fund. The 2 functions of Provident Fund are to record the collected amount of Provident Fund from the employees of government or corporate bodies and to grant loan and manage Social Security scheme. When and where was life insurance started at first time in the world? The life insurance was started at first time from England in 16th century. Which bank is known as the lender of the last resort? Central Bank is known as the lender of last resort. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe AGTV YouTube channel and click the bell icon.
Profit and loss account is prepared before balance sheet. Define prepaid expenses. Prepaid expenses are future expenses that have been paid in advance. What is cash in hand? Cash in hand refers to the cash balance remaining in the business including petty cash fund at the end of accounting period. What is cash at bank? Cash at bank refers to the balance of cash in the bank account of business. How is drawing adjusted in balance sheet? Drawing is adjusted in balance sheet by deducting with capital. Who does the final audit of the company? Registered auditor or license holder auditor does the final audit of the company. When is the final account prepared? The final account is prepared at the end of accounting year. What is liability? Liability is the amount of money which is to be paid to the outsiders after certain period of time. What is meant by outstanding expense? The expense that is incurred in the current accounting year but remained unpaid till the end of the current year is known as outstanding expense. What is gross profit? Gross profit is the gross result of the business, which is calculated as net sales minus cost of goods sold. In which side of balance sheet is bank overdraft recorded? Bank overdraft is recorded in liabilities side of balance sheet. Write any two manufacturing expenses. The two manufacturing expenses are royalty and factory rent. What is closing stock? Closing stock is the value of goods remained unsold at the end of the accounting period. What is bank overdraft? Bank overdraft is a facility of drawing cash more than deposited amount from the bank. What is reserve fund? Reserve fund is the amount that is created out of profit to meet either an expected or unexpected future liability or loss. Define advance incomes. The incomes, which are not earned but received in advance, are called advance incomes. Define accrued incomes. The incomes earned in the current accounting year but not yet received are called accrued incomes. What is depreciation? Depreciation is the permanent decrease in the value of fixed assets due to continuous use. What is meant by marshalling of assets and liabilities? The systematic arrangement of assets and liabilities in the balance sheet either in order of liquidity or permanence is known as marshalling of assets and liabilities. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe AGTV YouTube channel and click the bell icon.
Hello friends, you are watching AGTV YouTube channel. Today in this video we will do Chapter 7, Government Accounting. Very short questions and answers revision. What is government accounting? The accounting system used by government offices to keep systematic record of government revenues and expenditures is called government accounting. When was Kumari Chowk Atta established in Nepal? Kumari Chowk Atta was established on 6th Baishakh, 1828 BS in Nepal by King Prithvi Narayan Shah. Write down the AGF number for bank cash book and budget sheet. The AGF number for bank cash book and budget sheet are 5 and 8 respectively. Which institution does the internal audit of government offices? District Treasury and Controller's Office does the internal audit of government offices. Who performs final audit of government offices? Office of Auditor General performs final audit of government offices. Write the budget head number of insurance and gratuity. The budget head number of insurance is 22213 and gratuity is 27312. What is the word audit derived from Latin language? The word audit is derived from Latin language audire. Write the budget head number of uniform or dress and allowance. The budget head number of uniform or dress is 21121 and allowance is 21112. Write one objective of internal auditing. Any one objective of internal auditing is to verify books of account continuously. From which fiscal year, the new accounting system of Nepal was introduced as experiment? The new accounting system was introduced as experiment from the fiscal year 2019-20 BS. Which office prepares accounting forms used in Government Office of Nepal? Office of Auditor General prepares accounting forms used in Government Office of Nepal. Write the full form of AGF number. The full form of AGF number is Auditor General Form Number. Under which ministry is the Office of Finance Controller General? Office of Finance Controller General is under the Ministry of Finance. Which institution does the internal audit of government offices? Office of Treasury Controller does the internal audit of government offices. When was the Account Committee formed? The Account Committee was formed on 20th Mach, 2017 BS. How many members were there in the Account Committee 2017? There were 4 members in the Account Committee 2017. Name the members of the Account Committee 2017. The members of the Account Committee 2017 were Controller General, Joint Secretary of Ministry of Finance, Public Administration Advisor of USAID and Account Specialist of the UN. Write the budget head number of medicine and field allowance. The budget head number of medicine is 22531 and field allowance is 21114. When was budget system started in Nepal? Budget system was started in Nepal in 2008 BS. When was the new accounting system draft approved by the King Mahendra? The new accounting system draft was approved by the King Mahendra on 2nd Chaitra 2018 BS. Who appoints the Auditor General in Nepal? President of Nepal appoints the Auditor General on the recommendation of the Constitutional Council. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel AGTV and click the bell icon. Chapter 9, 10 and 11 Bank Cash Book, Budget Sheet and Monthly Statement. Very short questions and answers revision for SEE exam. What is Bank Cash Book? Bank Cash Book is a multi-columnar ledger prepared by the operating level government offices to keep records of cash and banking transactions to minimize the chances of misuse and manipulation of cash. Write the AGF number of Bank Cash Book. The AGF number of Bank Cash Book is 5. How many accounts and columns are there in Bank Cash Book? There are 5 accounts and 17 columns in Bank Cash Book. Why Bank Cash Book is called Multi-Accounts Book? Bank Cash Book is called Multi-Accounts Book because it contains 5 accounts, namely Cash Account, Bank Account, Budget Expenditure Account, Advance Account and Miscellaneous Account. Write any 2 ledger accounts included in Bank Cash Book. The 2 ledger accounts included in Bank Cash Book are Cash Account and Bank Account. Write the name of form which is made provision under AGF number 8. The name of form which is made provision under AGF number 8 is Budget Sheet. What is Budget Sheet? Budget Sheet is a statement of annual appropriation of budget, budget release and budget expenditures prepared by all the operating level offices to confine the financial activities within the budgetary limits. In which part of Budget Sheet is the additional revolving fund release recorded? The additional revolving fund release is recorded in the budget release part of Budget Sheet. What is budget transfer? The process of transferring the budget from one budget head to another budget head or from one office to another office is called budget transfer. In which part of Budget Sheet is the inter-head budget transfer recorded? The inter-head budget transfer is recorded in the annual appropriation part of Budget Sheet. Write the parts of Budget Sheet. The parts of Budget Sheet are Annual Appropriation Part, Budget Release Part and Budget Expenditures Part. What is Monthly Statement? The financial report prepared by all the operating level government offices and submitted to the concerned central level offices of monthly basis is called Monthly Statement. Write the AGF number of Statement of Expenditures and Statement of Revenue. The AGF number of Statement of Expenditure is 13 and Statement of Revenue is 9. Write the AGF number of Bank Reconciliation Statement and Statement of Outstanding Advance. The AGF number of Bank Reconciliation Statement is 15 and Statement of Outstanding Advance is 14. Write the AGF number of Monthly Statement of Security Deposit. The AGF number Monthly Statement of Security Deposit is 19. Thank you for watching. Best of luck for SEE exam.